welcome back to Travel with Kids. Today we're staying at a beautiful family accommodation called Riverston Holiday Home in Rattota, Matale, Sri Lanka. This place is surrounded by amazing views. Just look at the green paddy fields, the tall mountains, and even a river nearby. It really feels like nature's paradise. The rooms here are perfect for families. They are simple but very clean and comfortable. The beds are cozy and the bathrooms are super neat. Everything you need for a budget-friendly holiday stay in right here. What we really like is that this place is very family friendly. You can relax together, enjoy the fresh air, and just take a break from the busy city life. And guess what? Just a few steps from the holiday home, there's a small river where we had so much fun. We splashed around, played in the water, and it was a highlight of our stay. The kids, we love it. We even captured some amazing slow-motion video clips with our DJI Action 5 Pro camera. The water splashes look so cool when you watch them in slow motion. If you're planning a family trip to Riverston, Matale, we definitely recommend Riverston Holiday Home. It's budget-friendly, clean, and surrounded by breathtaking nature. Perfect for a peaceful getaway with your loved ones. Thanks for joining our adventure today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Travel with Kids for more family travel experience around Sri Lanka. See you in the next journey.